Hello, friends. Welcome to Let's Learn. Today we will learn how to form a notice. So, let's begin. A notice is a very short piece of writing and is usually written in a formal style. Notices are widely used by individuals, institutions, and organizations to announce events, occasions, celebration, and to make appeals, etc. So it means a notice is a very short piece of writing which is usually formal in style. It is a method to some kind of message or information in brief to all the concerned persons. Generally, notices are stuck or pasted on the informal boards meant for this purpose, but certain notices, for example, notices issued by government departments for general public or for a wide group of people, are published in newspapers. It is widely used by individuals and organizations to announce events and celebrations, births and deaths, or sales, to issue public instructions, etc. Now, there are some points to remember while writing a notice. First, we have to write the notice in a neat and legible. Legible means understandable handwriting. Second, don't use difficult vocabulary or fancy words. Just use simple and clear language. Third, follow the format perfectly, properly. Next, your heading must be eye catching. It should attract people's attention. Alright? Now, we will discuss what contents should be included in the notice. First, always mention that for whom you are writing this notice. Okay? Then, you have to tell the purpose of writing the notice. Like, what is the motive? Why are you writing this notice? Okay? Then, always mention details like date, time, venue, etc. for any kind of events, meetings, or competitions. Next, always mention to whom they have to contact. For example, you're writing a notice in a school for losing your pen drive. So, to whom the finder will contact, mention this also. Next, the notice should bear the signature, name, and designation of the person who is writing the notice. All right. The next thing is put all this context in a box. So make a box and write all the details inside this box. You should always follow the word limit given to you. Do not exceed the word limit. In some notices, you can use symbols and abbreviations also. All right. Next thing is that always put relevant things in your notice box. Make it to the point. No unnecessary things should be included in it. And lastly, notice is generally written in third person. Now, what is third person? The third person is the form of a verb that is used about another person you are speaking about. For example, he, she, it, or they. Therefore, we should avoid the use of first person, that is I and we, and second person, that is you. All right. Now we will understand the pattern of notice writing, how to form it. So, as you can see here in the box, first thing is to make the box. After that, at the very top, we write the name of the organization or the school or any office, etc. Means whosoever is issuing the notice. It must be in capital letters. Remember this. Next, just below name of the organization, we write the word notice in capital letters and its center. After that, we write date at the right corner of the box. After writing the date, we have to write the heading or the subject in capital letters at center. The heading must be eye-catching. After the heading, we have to write the body of the notice. It should be brief and to the point, with all important points included. After that, at the right corner, we have to put signature, which is generally your name in cursive handwriting. And after that, just below the signature, we will write name in capital letters, and just below the name, we mention the designation of the person. So, this is how we form a notice. So, guys, I hope you understood today's topic, that is notice writing. If you do, kindly like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. I will see you now in my next video. Till then, stay happy and keep learning. Bye bye.